Good morning, students. I am Nishu Arora, and today I am going to teach you topic Chapter 3 Synthetic Fibers and Plastics. In this topic, we will talk about types of fibers, advantages and disadvantages of synthetic fibers, and types of synthetic fibers, their properties and uses. Now, there are two types of fibers, natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Natural word means which is produced from nature. So these fibers are produced or grown in nature. These can be plant fibers like cotton, jute, or these can be animal fibers like wool, silk. Now synthetic word itself means man-made. So these fibers are man-made fibers which use raw materials and then chemical processing is done to make these fibers. So these fibers are of four types: rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic. So we will study their properties and uses. Now how synthetic fibers are made? Now these are made from long chain like molecules. जैसे हम माला पहनते हैं, it has beads in it. So it is made from the long chain of molecules joined by a chemical bond, right? So these polymers are natural and man-made. Natural polymers are cotton, cellulose, protein, wool, all these are natural polymers जो nature में होते हैं, and man-made polymers from which we make synthetic fibers. Even plastic is also a man-made polymer. Now we'll talk about rayon and nylon. Rayon was the first synthetic fiber. It is made from wood pulp. So that is why it is not called as fully synthetic fiber. Fully synthetic fiber was nylon because it is made only through chemical reactions using raw materials of coal, whereas rayon is made from wood pulp, chemical processing of wood pulp. Now the reason behind making rayon is to have a copy of silk. So rayon is sometimes called as artificial silk. It has some properties of silk. It has texture actually like that of silk. Now rayon is also very beneficial as we can use the rayon for making fabrics like carpets, bandages which are used by doctors, clothing. Now nylon, the reason behind making nylon or the word first, we'll talk about how this word comes into being. Nylon, if you break this word, NY comes from New York and LON comes from London. So it is the first synthetic fiber which is produced in both the cities together. So that's why it got the name nylon. Now nylon is stretchable and strong. That is the two basic qualities of this fabric. Now it is, because it is very strong, so it is used to make ropes, parachutes, fishing net, and it is elastic, so it is used to make socks and other clothing material. Now moving to the next two fibers, polyester and acrylic. Now polyester is strong and wrinkle resistant. Now wrinkle means crush. It does not crush actually. So we can use it to make various dress materials ranging from shirts, pants, water hoses which is used by firefighting people, जो वाटर पाइप्स होती है दे आर ऑल्सो मेड फ्रॉम पॉलीएस्टर. Bottles, pet bottles, these are also a kind of polyester. It is also very strong fiber, and one more quality of polyester is that it can be mixed with cotton or wool. Now next is acrylic. Now acrylic feels similar to wool. Like nowadays we see the shawls, sweater, blankets. ठीक है, most of them are made from acrylic and not from wool. Now how we can differentiate acrylic and wool? Wool shrinks when we wash it, and wool cannot be dyed in different colors. But with acrylic this is not so. We can dye acrylic in many colors, and it does not shrink. There is no need to dry clean acrylic things. Now advantages and disadvantages of synthetic fiber. As every coin has two sides. The same way the synthetic fibers, they have certain advantages and certain disadvantages. Advantages are they do not shrink, they are quick drying and need very little or no ironing. हम इसको बिना आयरन के भी पहन सकते हैं because they do not crush. They last longer, they are durable as compared to the fabrics made from natural fibers. And one more advantage is that it is cheap as compared to natural fibers. Now disadvantages with synthetic fibers are that they do not absorb water or sweat, because of which they are uncomfortable during summer season. And when we wear them during summer, it sticks to the body. And the another disadvantage is that it melt and burn easily. So when we burn them, they melt and stick to the body of the wearer. So it is strictly advisable not to wear synthetic fibers when we are near the fire or when we are burning crackers. So this disadvantage can be overcome by blending the fibers, synthetic fibers and natural fibers. तो जनरली नाउअडेज जो हम क्लॉथ्स में मिलते हैं वो ब्लेंड होते हैं, मीन्स मिक्सचर होते हैं सिंथेटिक एंड नेचुरल फाइबर के. सो थैंक यू, दैट वाज ऑल.